Hi guys, we're finally back in Malta and a big present arrived for Malta Surf School and all the students. Okay, let's start to open. Okay, here we have the fins. Yes, they are here. 1, 2, 3, and now the big unboxing is coming. Oh, now we take it out the board. Oh, oh. Okay, one part. It's really look amazing, I can see. Oh, wow! With the logo of Malta Surf School! Look how beautiful! Wow! Guys, we have a beautiful new surfboard, not only one. We have 8 new beautiful surfboards with the logo of Malta Surf School. And this one is only one big news for the season 2026. Look how beautiful! Here we have the area to put your chest. This one is floating more. They have the reinforcement. And plus, look guys, we installed on the new board the handle no more in the middle because everybody was struggling to grab it, but more on the side. And it's more easy to carry the board. Let's put the fins. See, with the screw. Screw them inside. There we go. Finally, all the boards are unpacked. They are looking amazing, and now it's time to test it into the water. Guys, the waves are beautiful, and this is perfect day for testing the new board. Let's go! Let's go! The waves are amazing. The boards are amazing. I can't wait to jump in the water. Let's go! Alright guys, in this crazy weather, I'm so excited and we are officially starting the season with the test of the new board. Look how beautiful. We have our logo. It's an 82, 22 for 300 liter, perfect for all our students. And now I need to test it. Let's go! Nice and easy with the handle. There we go. Wow guys, I still cannot believe it. I finally Malta Surf School and Cicco Signature board. The board, like you saw it, I just tested. They are amazing, they float amazing, they're super stable, and they are fantastic on the waves. So guys, can't wait to surf with all of you in Malta Surf School. Allora, and with a new board. Allora, Sir Coach Valerio, let's go!